Today we're checking out the Red Rock Crossbar Roof Rack in black with 60-inch span, designed to fit the 2014 and newer Sierra 1500s. This is a great pick for truck owners who need a little extra cargo carrying flexibility, whether you're hauling bikes or kayaks, some storage boxes, or just making better use of that roof space on camping or road trips. This Red Rock 60-inch crossbar roof rack is a versatile and practical solution for expanding your Sierra 1500's cargo capacity. These bars are designed to mount across the existing factory side rails, instantly creating a stable, elevated platform for carrying a wide range of gear. You're loading up for a weekend adventure with kayaks, mountain bikes, rooftop tents, or just transporting additional storage containers. This rack delivers strong support with broad compatibility for popular rooftop accessories. Each crossbar measures 60 inches in width, offering enough coverage for full-size loads while maintaining a low profile for better aerodynamics. The bars themselves feature a streamlined oval design that's going to cut down on that wind resistance and make it less noisy while you're driving, making it ideal for highway travel or long distance trips. This integrated T-slot channel is going to run the full length of each bar, allowing you to easily attach T-bolt compatible accessories like those cargo boxes, bike racks, light bars, and more without needing to remove the bars or use clunky universal clamps on the top of the bars. The system is engineered to support substantial weight with a low capacity of 165 pounds when evenly distributed across the rack. It also is going to include very durable mounting clamps that help deter theft while mounting it in a tight, rattle-free grip to the factory side rails. The rubber-coated feet are fully adjustable and designed to protect your vehicle's paint and trim from scuffs or abrasions. This attention to detail makes the Red Rock system a reliable upgrade for both daily utility and those off-road or overlanding setups. These crossbars are built from heavy-duty aluminum, making them both lightweight and strong. They come finished in this nice black powder coat finish, which helps resist corrosion and wear over time, making sure you're not going to get any rust on them. The mounting brackets and feet are also made from high-strength materials, ensuring a secure, solid mount to your truck. This rubber padding is built into the mounting hardware to prevent scratching or damaging the paint and the trim. So overall, they're just a really high-quality aluminum build that look clean on the top of your truck. Now, as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that $200 price range. That's a solid value for a full aluminum crossbar setup with the locking mounts and that T-slot compatibility, especially if you're going to compare it to some of the more premium systems that can easily cost a lot more, sometimes even double the price. Installation on these are nice and straightforward, so they're going to earn a simple 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in 30 minutes or less of your time. Now let's head on out to the shop and they can give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how that install process goes.
Tools required for this install include a flathead screwdriver. What's up guys? Today we're installing a roof rack on our Sierra, so let's get started. So I'm going to start off with just raising our bar up onto the top of the truck. And then we want to drop these feet into that roof rail area. We'll do that on both sides, and then we can slide our rail back and forth to get it even on both sides before we clamp this down. So now once you have your bar adjusted side to side how you like it, and also forward to back on your roof, we can pull down on this silver piece in the middle. Now that thing's pretty stiff. That's gonna lock these sliders so that the rail can't move back and forth. So I'm gonna use a flathead screwdriver in here. Push it down a little bit to get started. And then just wedge it in there. Use that for leverage. Lock it down. Do that same thing on the other side. So next we're gonna have to grab a clamp to clamp this down to the roof. Now we have a bunch of different clamp styles in here because it's a universal kit. So the first thing we want to do is get this pad and put this here. That's just going to prevent your paint from getting scratched up and also give it a cushion so it's not metal on metal. So peel that backing. And then we can just stick that down. Do that same thing on the other side. So now we're going to grab the bracket that fits best here. This one looks good for our truck, so I'm going to use that one. So now we have our bolt that we're going to thread through that. We've got a twist knob here. Now if you twist the knob, it has a security feature where it's not going to twist the bolt, so someone can't just take it off. So you're going to have to grab the key, turn this to the off position, and now that bolt turns with the knob. So now slide it through. You're going to be threading it into that threaded portion. So get that lined up. And then get your clamp in place. Twist your knob, tighten it down. Before you get it tightened all the way down, you're going to want to get the other one on the other side started. I've got that one started, so I'm good to crank all the way down on this. Let's give it a tug, make sure it's not going anywhere. And then once you have that tightened down, give it a good tug, make sure it's not going anywhere. And then you can twist and remove your key. Do the same thing on the other side, tighten that down, and then you can repeat that exact same process for your rear bar. So that'll wrap up this review and install of the Red Rock Crossbar Roof Rack in black, 60-inch for your 2014 and newer Sierra 1500. Thank you for watching, and for all things Sierra, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.